the floor is now open. If you have any questions for any of the people on stage, you can ask them now. Do you have a mic?
Hello.
Yeah. My question is for...
You'll have to be louder.
My question is for Mr. Raj Nayak. Sir, I just want to know, how did you arrive at the decision to engage with an international choreographer as a jury member for the show?
Come again?
How did you arrive at the decision to engage with an international choreographer as a jury member for the show?
The idea came from the creative team, and since Jhalak Dikhla Ja, or the original version of this, is in 50 countries, we have access to choreographers all over the world, and it wasn't that difficult. The only difficulty was getting their visas to come here and work here.
Rajnayak, a question for you. How does the TV network 18 acquisition by Reliance affect the brand color?
I knew you were going to ask this question. See, we don't know. The acquisition has just happened. We haven't got any formal communication. As and when we do, we'll let you know.
Hello. Okay, my question is to Raj Nayak. Will this season be aired on Rishte as well?
We will definitely telecast the opening live on both channels. I mean, we'll telecast it both on Rishte and Colors, and we will see how the season progresses, because the identity for Rishte and for Colors is completely different. But the opening episode definitely will telecast on both.
Hi, my question is to the judges. You all just said that there are going to be international dance forms as well. You all are going to go global. So other than the technical aspects of dance, what else are you expecting from the contestants?
I think the idea is to up the game completely this season. So I said, we've seen a lot of new dance forms on Jhalak in the previous seasons. And I think there was a certain kind of element of us watching our words, watching what we say, being very careful and mincing our words sometimes, and not really sometimes, projecting what we really feel. But because the competition is so tremendous and the contestants are so, I think well versed in dance, even if they're not really dancers, they've been in the entertainment business. The idea is to up the game in every which way. So there will be a certain level of, for the lack of a better word, rigidness and strictness in our judgment. So I think it's not about the dance form, it's about really kind of being very vigilant about what we say, and that will be projected in our scores as well. So I think this time round, besides the dose of glamour, celebrity, upping the scale in dance, it's also upping the scale of judgment.
Hi, Karan. You're on your right. Hi.
Hi.
Karan, what made you to take the decision of not dancing this season? We all loved your dance.
It was a very, very difficult decision for me. I had to kind of take a lot of time out. I went into some therapy, some rehab, and I reached this conclusion that dancing is not detrimental to me, but it's detrimental to the viewer. And viewers are who make us as filmmakers. So I didn't want to scar them, because I thought that they would stop coming to see my movies if they kept feeling that this director doesn't know what he's doing because he dances like this. So once I saw myself on national television and realized that I was a national embarrassment, and therefore I have reached this conclusion that I should stop dancing.
Hello.
Huh? What? I should learn from Remo. You see, I know you believe I have a lot of time at hand, but I actually have a certain amount of responsibilities in my life. So taking time out and dancing with Remo is one of my top 3,000 things to do. And I will definitely be pursuing it very soon.
Madhuri ma'am.
जी. बिल्कुल. Me, step brotherly. I have no AV either. I am so upset with the team. Remo and Madhuri have this whole new look. I mean, look at them. They're looking sizzling, smashing, and sexy. And they put me in the same last season clothes they've given me.
Karan, but you're perfect. Karan, you're perfect the way you are.
Sara budget in balls pe chala gaya hai. All these bloody balls are shimmering and I am looking the bloody same. I was the collateral damage of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Now that,
no,
of course, Reliance has come in our lives,
perfect.
I hope from Reliance Mart I will get new clothes.
माधुरी मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है, आपके डांसिंग स्टाइल के अलावा और क्या-क्या जजेस की तरफ से चेंजेस दिखेंगे इस बार?
जैसे कि करण ने पहले ही कहा है कि इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर सब कंटेस्टेंट्स टू गेट वेरी हाई मार्क्स. जैसे 8, 9, 10 इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अगर बहुत अच्छा डांस किया है तो ही वो मार्क्स मिलेंगे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. और फिर कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए सब कुछ डिफिकल्ट करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुछ आगे भी प्लान किया है, ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स. जैसे सडनली कैन आई So we will take one choreographer who is with that artist for maybe, 10, 15 episodes and then change him around. तो वो choreographer हम किसी और को दे देंगे, किसी और का उनको, तो comfort zone से बाहर हो जाएंगे. So in that way we are going to keep challenging them.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen, ladies. Yeah. You have a little bent on the Western this time, maybe, and it's all for the better. But do you think that the formats will be laid down to the dancers, or they'll be able to select from the Western dancers themselves? Because, there could be right from ballroom to everything.
No, they will be given to them. The dance forms will be given to them कि इस episode में आपको ये dance form करना है.
Yes.
Yes.
Because otherwise there will be a repetition. I don't know, but there could be a repetition of the easy form and not the difficult
Right.
ones.
So they will be seeing different dance forms every episode.
That would also include ballroom.
Yes.
Thank you. I would have loved to see that. Thank you.
Hello. This is a question for Raj ji. Raj ji, जैसा आप लोगों ने कहा है कि this time में शो जो है globally और परफॉर्मेंस रहेंगी ग्लोबलाइजेशन के तौर पे, तो आप ऐसा देखा जाता है कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो है वो डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है, वो डाइवर्सिटी नहीं चाहता. तो ये किस मायने में कह सकते हैं कि शो इंडियन है, इंडियन वर्जन है?
ये पार्लियामेंट का क्वेश्चन यहाँ कैसे आ गया?
Sir, because you are talking about globalization.
Serious question, sir. You are asking like that. Look at us. You just saw dance performance, silver balls, and you're asking about diversification. You've reached the wrong place. Raj is flummoxed.
ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो है उस कहा जाता है कि वो डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है.
डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है.
क्यों डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट क्यों जाता है?
Look at all of us, man.
पूरे मतलब होल वर्ल्ड में दिखाया जाएगा तो इट शुड बी सिमिलर.
Similar to the world, he said.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. Yeah, right here. Vijay Shankar. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vijay Shankar. I'm a classical dancer and a critic as well.
Yes.
Mr. Raj, one question. It's a normal observation I have been seeing. Why is classical dancing always taking a back seat in most of the programs?
That's not true.
Not true at all.
That's not true at all. If you've seen the last 2 seasons of Jhalak Dikhla, there's been enough of classical dance.
And the winner of India's Got Talent was an entire team that did traditional Kathak, authentic dance. I mean,
Conditions apply means will there be an exception when you will dance?
I am always the exception when I dance.
हाय रामो, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है. हर सीजन में हमने देखा है कि भारती आपके पीछे रहती हैं, कोई ना कोई लड़की. इस सीजन में भी क्या कोई लड़की आपके पीछे पड़ती हुई दिखाई देगी?
पलक.
लोगों ने बोल दिया है.
उनका नाम झलक से राइम करता है.
ये इन लोगों से ये पलक नाम सुन के मुझे डर लगने लगा अभी.
Why not Andy?
Why not?
Andy. पलक कौन सी लड़की है?
This time I know who is going to be in love with Remo. Sophie. I have chosen. Just like that. Sophie.
I think that Remo will like.
Hello, it's for Karan.
बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दे दिया.
Hello, it's for Karan here it is. I'd like to ask you that एक अच्छे डांसर में क्या क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए?
एक अच्छे डांसर में मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं आप? ये तो माधुरी जी का सवाल था. MD, you have to take this one. क्या quality? I don't know why I am being asked this question. देखिए, after years of training in Kathak and Bharatnatyam, I still don't have the answer to that question. I think you should ask Madhuri this question.
अच्छा माधुरी जी आप
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, आप बोल दीजिए.
नहीं, मैंने बोल दिया. Please see what qualities.
Qualities मतलब of course grace, stance, जिस क्विकनेस से वो करते हैं या जो उनकी जो पर्सनालिटी आती है while she dances. So she has to own her dances, he or she, whoever it is. The dancer should become the dance. Basically, that's what we look for.
हाँ करण, आपने रेमोस उनको पकड़ के कसम खाई कि आप डांस नहीं करेंगे, नहीं कर पाते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने एक फिल्म डायरेक्ट की है ABCD यानी एनीबॉडी कैन डांस. तो आपने उनको पूछा नहीं कि आपने ये फिल्म कैसे डिसाइड की कि anybody can dance?
But actually that's true. Anybody can. You didn't see members of your own fraternity. They were all here. They're not dancers. They all danced. I mean, I think dancing हमारी DNA में है. हम जब हर religious function पे, हर community dance पे हम dance करते हैं, or we attempt to dance. So it's true. ABCD, anybody can dance.
आप अगर देखेंगे छोटे-छोटे बच्चे भी जिन्होंने कभी डांस सीखा नहीं है, कभी देखा नहीं है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली उनके अंदर रिदम होता है. आप म्यूजिक ऑन करो, हिलने लगते हैं.
ऐसा नहीं है. I can also dance. I'm Punjabi. We all dance. अरे मेरे डांसिंग के पीछे हाथ धो के पड़ गए साहब में. नहीं करना डांस.
Smilita.
Thank you.
Taking the last question now, because let's face it, the level of questions has steadily worsened.
Smilita, I have a question. Sorry.
नहीं, वो तो आप देख लेना ना, जब वो दिखाएंगे तभी आप देख लेना.
We are trying to spice it up for later.
हाँ.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all for coming.
One question for Mylita.
Sorry?
For Mylita.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah. Mylita, I just wanted to ask, is it true that BBC actually produces the show? Or do you all go to another production house? How does it work exactly, the format?
We very much produce the show. It's a BBC Worldwide format, and we have a production team and a creative team that works with the Colors team to produce the show.
Hello, just give me one little chance. This is regarding the contest. Normally it depends upon the judges all the time. And of course, every batch of judges are different to their choices, to their ways of thinking. But there is one thing, because some people do stand out in all the contests, and even they are eliminated. Is there any particular reason? I hope you understand where I am pointing out.
It's a lot. Well, we try our level best, sir, but eventually there is also the format, and the format makes a very large percentage of our judgment dependent on the public vote. And the public vote votes not necessarily for craft and technique, but sometimes TV popularity, sometimes their personality, sometimes the affability of a contestant can reason in an innumerable amount of votes. So there are many factors that determine the final winner, and sometimes, unfortunately, it's not just dance.
Yeah, so even the best of the best may not...
I would say the journey of even a non-dancer, and I think they take into account. For example, Drashti was a TV artist and an actress, but she wasn't a dancer quintessentially. She grew from strength to strength, and I think the voting public definitely took her journey into account, and she was winner. And that same can be said about Gurmeet, and same can be said about many other winners like Chang. I mean, when Chang was a singer and he was the final winner. So I think the journey is also very integral.
Chang was also one of the ones who astounded us, the judges, with his growth, because this competition is over 3 months, and to progress that much in 3 months, and you are standing against someone who's learned for years, that also makes a lot of difference.
I'm very satisfied with the answer, that I'm sure the people who are in the shows, this show or the other shows, get themselves better and better, as I could see with your winner. Thank you.
Thank you all. On that happy note, thank you all for coming. In 5 days, see you on your TV sets for Jhalak Dikhla Ja 7. Thank you all.